Are you used to crackers made with hydrogenated oils and processed flours, MSG, and fructose corn syrup and other harmful ingredients? Would you like crackers that taste good and that are good for you with a crunch? Perfect for cheese balls and other holiday foods made with flour made from flax seeds and almond pulp. Just pour your flax seeds in the blender and blend them up until they become a flour. It's that easy. To this, we're going to add the almond pulp that we created from last week's recipe, making those nut milks. Now, perfect for the holiday season, we're going to add some pumpkin seeds to the mix, some whole pumpkin seeds that have been soaked and sprouted a little bit for about an hour. So just mix those in and put half of it inside of your food processor along with the fourth a cup of soaked chia seeds. Now let's add the flavoring to the mix with an onion and parsley. Oh, yummy. I love fresh parsley. How about a carrot? It's so nice to have your vegetables inside of your crackers too. And along with a celery stalk, which gives it an added salty flavor. So delicious and exciting. Now blend away and feel free to throw in a garlic clove. Just blend it up. So easy. How about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of poultry season for the holiday season? And a teaspoon of onion powder, which will add that extra flavor that we want. And then blend away. Add the rest in and pulse it for just a little bit, keeping those pumpkin seeds whole. Now put it in your bowl and the fun begins. Whether you have a dehydrator or an oven, you can make these crackers in no time and store them for later. So take some parchment paper and line your cookie sheet or your dehydrator sheet. And you'll spread the mix really thin on your parchment paper. Now you can use your hands or a spatula to make it super thin to make the crackers very crispy. You can cut them in fun different shapes like squares or use a small glass for circle crackers. So delicious and creative. Fun and quick. You dehydrate for 12 to 24 hours. Make sure to take off the parchment paper in between or in the oven at 200 degrees for an hour. Now enjoy. For this recipe and more, head on over to masterfoodartist.com. And be sure to come back next week for the vegan cheese ball recipe.